Oh, yeah. Sorry, that's my bad. Are you able to hear me now? Okay. I'm not sure if you heard what I just. Yeah, you definitely did not hear what I just said. But I call it 20% on spot at open. Yeah. Look at the fucking algo. The algo's just like buy it like direct open, and I was like, yeah, sure, man. I mean, this is stupid, right? Like, man, I didn't even know. Oh my goodness. I think everything's heading into like a downwards channel here, though. I wouldn't mind puts. Uh-oh. That's not good. Wait, who do you need to fire? Whoa! You need to fire one of the managers? That is not good. I mean, yeah, I can imagine that's probably pretty hard. Yeah, you're right, Tree. Tree, I want to put. Yeah, you were right. It might be, it might be. Um, went back home, and it was good. I got to see like my family and stuff. Yeah. What the? You hate to see it. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, true. Nice. What's Spy be doing? That is what I'm imagining here. Yeah. I very much like puts. I really like Apple sub 155 too. Let's fucking go. Like, if Spy could actually dump, that'd be great. Nice, nice. Alright, I just got out for 30%. I got for 30% on Spy. Nice. Big trades, big trades. Okay, Tree, you need to teach me how to trade on Weeble Desktop, because I'm trying to not trade SPX anymore. uh, just like, no, I haven't gotten burned by SPX yet, but like, I don't want to either, you know? So, I'm just trying to play a little more conservative. Okay, so I have like the positions as well as the order entry up. How do I modify my... Is there like a modify one too? Oh, I'm doing it on my MacBook. So... Oh wait, right click the position. Okay, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything right now, but I think I know what you're talking about. Okay, okay. Because that one was like, oh, yeah, I think, again, Apple goes sub 155. I'll grab puts on Apple as well. 155.88 here. That's fine. I mean, we hit the trade, you know? We're green. We both made like, I made 25 and then 30 and then you hit a 40. It's fine. Things could definitely be going worse. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, there's a stock called Coop, C-O-U-P is a ticker. They have earnings. A lot of people want to play this. Lots and lots of people want to play this apparently. Coop, C-O-U-P. Yeah, I believe so. Implied volatility is pretty high though, 170. I don't think they get much volume. I don't know, man. Okay, true. Also, maybe I'm. They're playing puts. They're playing puts. Maybe I'm like tripping, but like I swear this is easier on the phone. That's fair. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Because like I only use Webull to trade on the phone for SPX basically. I use everything else for like my TD account, so it's weird. It's different. It's okay though. Probably. But also that spy position was like insanely scary for me because like I didn't know how to modify the order, so I just like bought it. And then I had to just set a limit and just hope the limit hit. I was just like, okay, here we go. Yeah, I mean that's so scary. The fact that you can't just like continue to modify. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, you could play all the way down to 150 on Apple. So, I mean, or 155, sorry. Like, so conceptually, it's kind of same thing on Spy, down to like 390, I think, right? 390 is a lot farther for Spy. I would probably give Spy to like 392 flat. That's where you could probably play it down further if you wanted to. I'm personally not playing Apple until they break 155 though. This level's huge for them. If they get like a 5-minute close under, I really, really like it. Also, I just want to say, like, Spy, we get the buy signal open, and then Apple, we get the like sell signal open. Like, what? The fuck? Sure, man. Yeah. Well, the Algo did the first trade for me, but yeah, second trade felt good. I mean, if we do it very quick, probably. Because we... that's not a bad idea. That is not a bad idea at all. Okay. How the hell do you see your buying volume, or buying power? Yeah. Bro, this is so much easier on the phone, I'm telling you. Yeah, I know, but it's like, it's fine. I really need to not try to trade SVX anymore, because like that one's like actually like I'm not like for that like it's like actually stupid because like I don't feel like I'm actually learning anything, you know? Like it's just like it moves so quick that like even if it gets like a small percentage move, it's like okay, where that's my gain, you know? So it's like exactly, yeah. Because it's like up like 60%, like halfway to my like target, and I'm like, okay, all right then. I mean, I don't get me wrong, it's great for like the money concept, but like from the actual like learning perspective, it's like it's terrible because like it's like actually like giving you like runner's high the entire time. But I think I found what my BP is. It's just weird because it shows like I don't know. I see it now. Account details. Okay, so I still got a few, got like 500 left on my small account for Webull right now. Yeah, I don't know how this shit doesn't give you anxiety trading on this tray. So, oh my lord, SPY contracts up 100%. We should have, but it's fine. Yeah, no, but the thing was, I was trading SPY though, and my SPY contract was up like over 30%, like on that small move. So that's why I was scared. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like 0 DT, and it's a Tuesday. This ain't ever happened before. Yeah, that's why I'm not trying to touch SPX for a little bit. I'm just, even if the gains are smaller, it's whatever. Uh, I've been hitting like targets for a decent while now, so I don't mind if it like wins off a little bit here. Not terrible. Hmm. There aren't Tesla calls coming in. 2.77 million. 970. October 21st expiry. This is, yeah. Alrighty, so as of right now, does look like we're trying to make a leg lower. This next break on Apple. But yeah, still waiting for 155, even though we are painfully waiting for this to come down. SPY, yeah, kind of doing the same thing. Also, yeah, Tree, you're definitely right. A lot of volume. The fuck? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Yeah. That's why I... Oof, yeah. You should. Sheesh. Something like that. Potentially. Yeah. Also, even for like Neo, they have earnings tomorrow, and they're right back at support here as well. So, pretty big things happening, yeah. guys. What is the retest back up to the 9 or something? Oh wow, okay. That was a retest on the 9 for Apple, but SPY is just going into the dirt. Yeah, again, potential re-entry was 392 break, but oh, playing it patient is getting annoying. Hello, Tone. No, no, I have a friend, his name is Anthony, but his nickname is Tone, and he was in the YouTube stream. Yes, I know. The contracts, I know, even SPY's up 150, then you don't need to remind me. Well, I mean, I told you it was coming, but it's whatever. Oh, yeah, that was the difference. My position was a little bit heavier, and that's why. MDB? What the heck is MDB? Interesting. People going MDB calls here. Interesting. Yeah, MDB, 270 calls. Alrighty, bye bye Anthony. Have a good class. Yeah, I'm either thinking that or we're about to trap the hell out of a lot of people. Because this is gonna be what, triple bottom? Yeah, but however, the first time we broke 390, it wasn't clean. Or, well, sorry, I'm looking at Apple right now. Oh no, SPY was clean. Apple wasn't though. That's interesting. I mean, SPY I guess wasn't terribly clean. No, it was. It never even came. It never even touched 390. Huh. Yeah. I mean, this is rough for SPY. I mean, the only thing I'm thinking though, Tree though, is that SPY right now is only down not even half a point. So that makes this like so all the more scary, in my opinion. Of like this 390 break potentially, because we haven't seen that many triple bottoms. We've seen a lot of double, but yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I mean, potentially even like head and shoulder here if you're including pre-market data too. I think we break 390 on confidence. I'm going puts for sure. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's a smarter thing to do. Yeah. I have background algo going. It's NVIDIA puts right now too. But the Bollingers are saying buy the hell out of it, so I don't. Oh, I hate Bollinger Bands. Tree, I'd love to tell you, you know, but at this point, I just let it run and I don't say anything, cause Yeah, I created it with machine learning, you know. Yeah. I created like 200 lines of code in with AI. Yeah. Oh my goodness, if only deep machine learning were that easy. No, I mean, like, today was kind of invalidated. I mean, even if you look at SPY, we were getting buy signals all the way down, so today was kind of invalidated with just how much selling we've had. But background algo is saying to go NVIDIA puts. Tree. Pausing candle? Pausing candle? Yeah, as long as like you don't like engulf more than 50% of the previous candle. Also, I've been backtesting this like a lot. If you don't, as long as you don't like the body of the candle doesn't take up more than 50% of the previous candle, it's like a pretty guaranteed pausing candle. Like, there's very high probability you had lower following one. However, if you take over 50%, I think it docks it down to like 60% or something like that. It goes down by a lot if you engulf more than 50%. Yeah, Tesla and NVIDIA both kind of chopping. Alright, maybe no pausing candle for SPY here. 12 more seconds. Looking kinda interesting. I might want to go calls here. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness! Tree, did you see that? Whoa. Wait, what? Not. Oh, I guess so. This is an engulfing one. What the hell is that? I mean, yeah, there has to be. I mean, what the fuck? That was insane, that movement. I mean, yeah, that was so quick. I still think. I mean, yeah, you get a close like that. Yeah. Yeah, that is for real. So this is why I wanted NVIDIA puts, huh? I don't care what my bullying your bitch thing says. Oh my gosh. That setup was actually perfect on NVIDIA. I don't know why I didn't take that. Whatever. Background algo's going crazy. It's saying Microsoft calls now. Hey. Uh-oh. That is very fast. I am waiting for retest, but you don't have to, I guess. I mean, this is a... We still have another 2 minutes till 5 minutes, but... It do be moving fast. No. Stop looking. Tree, stop looking. That's why you need to stop looking, Tree. Because IVs shot up. Telling you, you need to stop looking. Oh my goodness. No, it's fine. We're gonna wait. Yep. Wait back up to 390. If we don't get 390, then we head in, puts on, and falling candle. Yeah, this 5-minute candle is brutal. I mean, that's a full $2 move. Yeah. That is quite insane. Holy shit. You know that one guy, Tree? I was talking about? He entered SPX puts at 3.3. He's at 16 right now. Oh my gosh. It's fine. Also, there's no way you would have held this entire time. Okay. Just chill, it's fine. Nope. Oh boy. Volume is getting crazy. People were waiting for this. Well, we kind of like almost completely ate the last candle, so I don't. This is a weird looking pausing candle, if you ask me. Tree, how do you cancel orders? Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, okay. I don't think I am either, but I still don't know how to cancel this. I see working. Oh, cancel order. Okay. Oh, I see, I see. Honestly, kind of thinking about that too. Okay. So, leading up to that 390 break, sorry, I just like did not talk for like a very long time. Leading up to 390 break, very solid. You know, pull up to 9, pause, get up to 21, pull all the way down, past this. Not a bad break by any means. So we really want this retest. If we don't get this retest, I'll probably be playing the Wick as like the new low. If we get that break, that is probably where I will enter as like an aggressive one, but realistically we get back up to 390 level. However, I don't necessarily how like we're breaking or breaking out right now. Yeah. So for continual downside, you usually want continuation in volume there. However, we are getting a shoot ton of puts here. Like a lot of puts. Very like flow wise. Yeah. I guess so, yeah. Oh my lord, we are getting... Yeah, we're getting... Yeah. You've said that sentence before. Oh, tree, oh, tree. Yeah, Tesla here, I'm looking at 267 basically. Or 266.66 to see a balance or break. Again, when we see breakdown, I think market kind of follows. Lots of people wanting Nvidia puts here. May just try to get one video put here. I love it. I love it, true. Yes, yes, but... Yeah, got filled on one Nvidia put here. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, but... I don't know, it could be worse. Ooh. It's a nice move down though. Man. Oh man. Yeah, we are working back on these 5-minute candles here. 15-minute candle still has not closed, which I just completely forgot about. We have another 2 minutes, but this is looking strong. Nice. Okay. I mean, you do you, true. Ain't no one stopping you. Yeah, that is the theory. We do get a retest eventually. That's also why it's good to lock in profits. Alright, back to break even on Nvidia here. We're trying to push lower off of this level here. Again, we break this level and feel pretty confident. Let me move over. Just needs to pull down here. Yeah, not looking great. Yeah. Oof, kind of a rough pullback on Nvidia here. Yeah. This may potentially be retest. Also that's unfortunately. I love that. Unfortunately, it does not look like that though. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna stop right above where we tapped that 21. And it's still like relative continuation here to the downside. However, I don't want I don't want to leave this. Yeah, neither was on Nvidia. Alright, so I might stop to that 90 either. Again, had loved to have it lower here is the ideal situation. Come back to the 133.81 level on Nvidia and then just push lower. That is a nasty kind of looking wick on Nvidia though. Nvidia definitely starting to wick. Oof. Nice. Alright, slowly moving stops here with NVIDIA. Really try not to stay in this position for that much longer. We are getting a lot of wicks to both sides, so. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna be getting out of NVIDIA here for a 4.2% loss. Yeah, that's alright. Overall, small count up 6.09% today. Not terrible. I will take that. Again, hitting those 4 to 6% price targets, pretty solid. Not terrible. Again, NVIDIA was just moving a little bit too slow. Oh, that's nasty on SPY. No, but like this bottom, that SPY hit, that's like a super common like trend bottom that you don't usually find after this break like this. That's not great, actually. Sellers wanting to come in. 5-minute chart looking real bad with these wicks. I think if you get a close under like previous body on the 5-minute, so whatever the hell this is, 389.34. If you get a close on the 5-minute under, I think we can still head lower. I just got out because I didn't like how long it was taking to move down, but that was just me. Yeah, I mean your stop loss should be where like this body is, so like 389.50 probably. But generally I still like this move. Ooh, there you go. I just those wicks were starting to scare me. Five-minute touch on SPY? So pull back above 390? Oh, yeah. That I agree with. I was like, damn, that's an aggressive pullback. 'll definitely take it. Yeah, it is whatever. I ended up only going roughly like $50 up on the small account today, but I will take it. Oh, that's one expensive lunch you're having. That's like food for the whole day. What are you at right now? Oh. Yeah, I mean, I think just coming off the weekend, again, I know we had the big move down, but I just think locking in 20-25% on trades is it's not terrible. Yeah. I mean, hey, we're just playing for the breakout here, I think. Bowlingers are definitely starting to get a little bit tired here as well. Again, today, very, very volatile. I mean, we just tap at 394 basically level, and then shooting straight down on SPY. Puts are up pretty big, but yeah. Right now, went 25% on one trade, 30% on the loss on another one, and then minus 4.5 on the last one. Overall portfolio up 6%, which I'll take. Oof. Alright, we are coming back up here. We're trying to do on SPY list. Ooh, yeah. We are trying to test this big 390 level. This is the touch. So let's see where the 1 minute wants to close as well. If we get a close over, that's just like the first signal basically saying to go to the upside here on the 1 minute. 5 minute here, again, now this 9 is coming down here. Again, this is looking to the upside for sure, but we still got another, what, 3 whole minutes on the 5 minute, so lots of stuff can still pull back into 390 level here. This would be a place if you wanted to go aggressive puts. I mean, I guess you could. 1 minute is closing over 390 though. Yeah. Question is, will the 5 minute close over? And same with the 15. And do we even... Yeah, we did get close under 390 on the 15. Oh, 15's closing the same as 5 here, tree. So this will be pretty big confirmation if you want to see any type of midday reversal here. Or not midday, I guess morning reversal. Once again, similar things to point out. Overall volume, right, we're decreasing, so not necessarily great in terms of if you want to try to get through back resistance for reversal. That's why once again I was thinking of the idea of going aggressive puts here. Once again, we want confirmation on the 5 and 15 minute charts for this continuation type of move. But yeah, once again, puts to be aggressive, but kind of just waiting this out here on the 5 minute. 1 minute, I do have like some resistance here at 390.36. May get a quick retest retest up to there into this pullback is what I'm kind of thinking. Once again, 5 minute, minute and 30. There's that test of the 36 there. There's the slight pullback. Again, we are. I mean, yeah, but this does look great to the upside though. I mean, other than volume is slightly starting to slow down. I mean, it kind of looks like we're pausing candle into this breakup, but yeah, we're just waiting for this 5 and 15 minute. 1 more minutes now. We shall see. What's Apple doing? Apple kind of same thing here. 155 break was a big break for them. They actually haven't retested this 155 level yet, so I mean we're still roughly 40 cents off. But when we do get this retest, maybe this will be where I guess we do have this level here. I guess we're at the same big level for Apple technically if you're talking about lowest low. But yeah, big levels coming in here for SPY and Apple. SPY just not wanting any of it though. $20 more seconds here. I do think we get this closed over. We'd have to get a very aggressive push down. Alrighty. Yeah. I guess you could call bottom here. 5 and 15 minute both closing back over the 390 level. Oof, that's a selling on that last one though. Yeah, wow. 390 was a big level that we were holding for a very long time. Again, we may still break through under, but that was third touch of 390, and we had like past support historical on 390 as well. So thought this break was gonna be bigger, but we may see some kind of reversal here. Potentially targeting to go calls on retest back down to 390 actually. This is definitely a hard trading day though. These closes are really weird. This is 390 retest if you wanted to go long here, but damn. It's just like we're oscillating through this 390 level. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Uh, 15 seconds, still can't close here. Close over or not? What the Trey, we really do not like 390, do we? This is crazy. I mean, 390 is not even looking like a level of like resistance here. Yeah, I don't know. This looks very rough. Crash maybe. Make my SPY puts worth more. Yeah, SPY puts, again, I still don't mind the idea of SPY puts. I mean, once again, this 5-minute candle could have just been the fake out here. But damn, like this, the fact that this 390 level is just holding the way it is, it's just very interesting here. Once again, we thought this break would be a lot more, or just a lot bigger, but we broke out of this 390 and then just consolidated, moved into this back up. As Trio was kind of saying, a consolidation here is definitely still not out of the picture. Again, we did have this move back up into the 390 level. Idea of puts could be interesting once again, I would just make sure you are looking at the 5 and 15 here. Yeah, that's why I was like, okay, true, sounds good. But yeah, sorry, what were you saying? I mean, I think so too. Technically on the 15, could be considered pausing candle and to move lower here, but I mean, Trey, I don't know about you, but this is like the weirdest break of like a big level we've seen in a while. I mean, 390 is like acting like it's not even there, and that's where the 50% retracement is as well. I don't know. I think so too. Like, I almost want to say we bottomed here. Until we make lower lows. Yeah. Almost looks like we're channeling upwards here. Again, very sharp channel, but definitely just something to think about here. Pathing, honestly, I want to say that more confidence with like certain levels, but if you get down to like, what is this, 389, like, yeah, 389.80 level, you're still inputs, that's probably where I would sell. Probably gonna chop back up to 390 to move higher. Yeah. We shall see though. Movement again, extremely choppy. Yeah, 5 minute, definitely looking aggressive to the upside here though. I will tell you that much. We shall see though. Yeah, 1 minute is aggressively trying to hold this 390.40 level. Yeah. And that's what it's looking like. Here's the 390 retest though. Yeah. I don't even want to say retest because this level is just non-existent as it seems. It really is. Yeah, and if you're still in puts, I mean 389. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, I would probably say the same. Yeah, it really is a gamble right now. This is kind of saying before, the 389.80 level was where I personally would have exited if I was still in puts, but yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness, tree. What is 5 minute? 5 minutes, still another 2.5 minutes to close. 15 minutes still could be a pausing candle, in theory, if we move over here. When CPI this week, Trey? Thursday? Or maybe that's not CPI, but isn't Powell talking this week? Did you trade while he was talking though? the? Yeah. Right, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's speaking Thursday? Wait, 9:10 p.m.? Wait, that's weird. Okay. Um, yeah, that is very interesting. Yeah, PMI just reported, did it not? Also, Tree, look at that. Like, are you? Come on now. I literally said we're still moving to the upside, and 389 and 880 was the exit. Damn. We didn't even chop back, but oh my goodness, what a move up. Um, also East Starza. Yeah, streaming, I sent it to you in chat, but streaming every day, 9:15 Eastern to roughly 11:15ish. But yeah, Monday through Friday, every day. Well, at least when market's open. Um, but yeah. Also, try going through my mindset on the trades. Again, some of them are relatively hard to go through, but yeah, just let me know if you have any questions down below as well. But yeah, wow. I was definitely thinking we were gonna getting some kind of retest, but okay, I guess not. No, what the? You're this patient and now you're gonna yellow calls. Yeah, that's also true. Alright. Yeah, this is a lot of increasing volume as well. 3950 calls maybe, SPX? I'm not trading it, but that's what I would target for price target there. Yeah, everything had it pushing down. I'm getting sell signals here. I'm bullier though, but this is the 1 minute, so 5 minute is no, you're still good to go. Yeah, 5 minute you're good to go all the way up to like 395 probably. Yeah. 1 minute you are getting sells, but maybe it's just a pausing candle to head up higher though. You do have last stand here. I think this is the 200 EMA or exponential moving average here. That's the last thing SPY just tapped back from. But yeah. It's not bad. This is a lot of volume still coming on this quote-unquote pausing candle. But once again, I personally am not trading anymore for today. 3 trades, 2 for 3, and then the one I did lose on was just minus 4%. Other 2 were 25 and 30% at open. Again, I think Tree had contracts that peaked at 700%, but we won't talk about that. It's okay. But yeah, 3950 calls on SPX is probably what I would target. You need to see volume though, like stay here though. That actually sounds like you played the lottery though. It's like the only thing while holding like scalping contracts. It's like, yeah, they like sometimes give you like those 7-10x bingers, but like when they don't, they also just go to 0. Like if you're saying you're holding for the same amount of time. But yeah, 5 minute here. We definitely want to see this close over 391.28. 391.28 was the wick of the last candle here. So once again, closes over previous wicks, especially on the longer term candles like the 5, 15, even 30-minute charts. That's definitely ideal, right? Because that means directional stuff. How are you up 25%? What? I'm telling you, going off the selling candles, it's actually crazy. I don't know, volume's better than what that last candle was. I do not know, Trey. Yeah, continue to move up here, Spy. Ooh, yeah. Keep coming up. It's late position, yeah. Also, so you know, I can't hear whoever you're talking to if you intend us to hear them. Oh wait, really? Oh shoot. Wait, what? Wait, Tree, can you speak real quick? Wait, your thing is coming up. That's... Eh? Okay, we'll definitely fix that for next stream. Sorry about that, dude. Yeah, we'll fix that for next stream. Well, that's really awkward. Yeah, that is... That's bad. Sorry about that, David, by the way. Yeah, stop at 20% ain't bad. You're probably gonna get kicked out pretty quick, though. If we don't continue to move. Bless you. Yeah, I like this level here, Tree. Also, David, yeah, we'll definitely have that fixed for next stream. I just did not know. Nice, keep moving higher. Again, looking pretty good here. I mean, I personally would still keep in this, but yeah. Again, percentage on SPX is like really weird. Also, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about with SPX, it's like index, so you can only trade. Yeah, I would have played this. Like price target wise, you're breaking this. You're gonna break this 200 on good volume. You break the 200 good volume, you're soaring. Yeah, Tree, why don't you hold? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, 50%. No, no, no. It's. Yeah, no, it definitely is. 50% is definitely good. We're taking 50% any day of the week. Just from a technical setup, you probably would continue from that. But again, projection from the 200 there. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that is true. That is true. This is true. Yeah, I have no clue how that is 50% actually. Um, Again, reason why we're buying there kind of is along the lines of pausing candle, as well as like not extreme amount of selling volume, especially on this candle where we're kind of just break even. So going into calls into that, not a bad move. But yeah, I don't. That being 50% is that's crazy. Oof, tree 2 out of 3. But hey, it's not bad. Wait, so stopped off for 20% and then 50% and then what's your last one? 20? 40%? Okay, okay. That's not bad at all. Tree 2 for 3, I'm 2 for 3. My losses haven't been as bad, but I guess my gains have been anything crazy. Just made some 2 solid trades with 25 and 30%. Also, it is interesting though, Tree. We are finally getting, like, people I, like, don't know from, like, anywhere in the stream, so it's kinda cool. Yeah. I mean, there kind of is. Like, there's like that one really big one, like day trading TV. Um, I see. Yeah, I mean, there are like a few that are kind of big. I mean, there's also like, Ricky Gutierrez. Yeah, but the thing is, like, Ricky's kind of shady. I don't know. That guy, like, he like live streams, but then like he got called out for like saying that his like where he buys and where he sells aren't actually where he buys and sells. And then there's a bunch of stuff with like rug pulling when like NFTs were a thing. I don't know exactly the entire full story, but I just know like in the like stock trading community, he's not like very highly. Like, I don't know. I don't know what the right word for it is, but yeah, he's not very liked, I guess, because he does like a lot of sneaky stuff. But that being said, I think he's still a good trader. But yeah, I think I watched a few of his videos when I was learning as well. So, but yeah, I do agree. That's how I still feel right now, though. To be fair. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, yeah. It's like, yeah, that's true. It's like that stigma, right, or whatever. Um, yeah. No, that's very fair. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, neither am I. I think it's very fair though. Also, I feel like I don't know, like it's definitely not like the best thing to be thinking about as like a person who's like trying to sell like a business, but like even like a lot of traders they have like their own discords and stuff like that, but like I don't know until like I feel like very confident that like I don't know the value people are getting are actually here. Um, it just like it doesn't feel right to be like promoting like stuff about you basically taking money from random people that you don't know and like not even just teach like they're not like 90% of the time it's not even teaching anything. It's just here you go type thing, you know? It's just call outs and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know. Also, hey, I mean there was it did take some time, but we are breaking tree. I did tell you we were gonna break. No, you definitely should not have. Maybe you could have re-entered, but yeah, but like typically that is not that bad. Like if you're holding for like a full hour. Ah, Trey. If only you listened to me. Honestly, true. Yeah. Trey, literally all you need to do is just listen to me. I don't know why you do anything else. No, I mean, but this is also what I'm talking about, though, right? Because like on SPX, you see the percentage gain, and it's like I need to get out, right? Doesn't matter what the price target is. But like for this, if this was just SPY, I mean, you probably are up a decent amount because it's 0 DTE, but it's definitely not as much as 50% on that move, right? You're maybe up 10, 15%, and you're waiting for this move to break, right? So it's like, yeah, that's what I have as well. That's what my target is actually. I mean, a selling target psychologically would be like 393 flat. Um, but yeah, I mean, totally fair. Totally fair. Yeah. That is what they are asking, Trey. It is alright. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna be able to give it up either. You have good analysis. I subscribe. Thank you, David. Um, yeah, I try to like talk through my trades as. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying as Tree was saying because you guys can't hear him. uh, but yeah, I try to talk through my trades. Again, if you guys have any questions, I will try to keep going through my mind steps on his trades. Again, sometimes it's hard because like I'm actually in the trade and sometimes your mindset kind of goes swayed. Um, but yeah, again, the reason why we're targeting like exits at 393 is once again, if you guys know anything about the psychological levels, those are really big, right? So you have it on every single dollar. So you have it like on SPY, for example, here, right? Or the S&P 500 ETF, you have it on basically every dollar, right? 392 and that 393, 394, 395, and then you have bigger levels at like the $5 and $10. So 390, 395, 400. Um, but once again, you want to be looking. So when you do pre-market scans, like for levels, try not to look at the 1 minute or 5 minute terribly much for like levels. You usually want to be looking at like the 2 hour, 4 hour, or even day chart for like big levels. Again, that will be meaning that you won't have like levels every few cents, but having what I like to call like active charting, and not just sitting there for you to like hit certain levels is like pretty important in my opinion. Um, so yeah, trying to have active levels is big. Once again, we had that double touch of the 200. Tree, I might be wrong by saying this, but I feel like we haven't had triple touches like on anything like in the last like month, I want to say. Like even on the 1 minute or 5 minute, it's always been like two taps on the break. If you continue, so I mean triples or triple touches at the same level don't seem to be super common here. So once again, we get a double touch. We can consolidation of candles here. Volume is definitely decreasing from previous like volume on the selling side, but when we are heading into this break, right, you are getting those increasing volume sticks into the break back all the way up to 393. Again, if we can create support level here, we may kick to leg higher up to 394, but that would have been kind of the perfect trade there, waiting for this pullback to the 9, which would have been 391.50, and then playing this all the way up to 393 as like a tight scalp. But yeah, that's kind of what the target was there on that trade. Again, personally, I'm not trading anymore. I got my trades that I wanted for today, so, but yeah. Kind of how that played out. And Tree he couldn't hold on. No, yeah, SPX, oh yeah, sorry, I was going over earlier, but SPX is the index of SPY, so it's basically 10x of SPY. If you guys know how like contracts work on like SPY, or so they happen every dollar, right? So 392, 393, and 394. SPX, however, they happen on every $5. However, wait, is it every $5? Wait, hold on. Yeah, every $5. Yeah. SPX happens every $5, but it's the value of the index is 10x. So just generally speaking, you're not necessarily moving 2 times faster, but you're moving probably 50% faster than you would on SPY contracts. So that's why SPX, it's very fun to trade in that sense. That also makes saying you almost need perfect entries, or else you might get like heart attack. Once again, SPX, as far as I know, can only be traded on Webull phone, which the ticker is literally just SPX. Then you have TD Ameritrade, which I believe you can trade on their desktop. I think it's like SPX.W though. Maybe I'm wrong. And then Fidelity. I'm pretty sure those are the only three brokerages that play that. So SPX, something maybe to just check out on the options chain, but unless you're very confident with your entries and exits, definitely a hard one to trade. But yeah. Also trade 394 in the books, as it seems. Higher highs here. Yeah, it's fair. I mean, you also get like bearish engulfing on that 1 minute as well. Again, those engulfings on the 1 minute. If you look at the contracts, you're gonna cry, Tree. I don't know why. I told you to just hold, and you didn't hold. Uh, it's your fault, Tree. Okay. Oh my goodness. 394 run up was perfect. Yeah, I'm not surprised. And you have increasing volume coming up to 394 level. Jeez. Jeez. Once again, if I was in this trade, I would exit at 393, or at that first touch, but if you're going aggressive, I mean, increasing volume still, it's looking very, very good. Very, very solid for sure. What's that? Okay, that is... Tree, I've never really like tried to call you stupid before, but that is like actually stupid, okay? No, if you're gonna do like something like that, it should be like 25% trim, 50% loss, or 50% gain. Because think about it, right? Like the risk to reward ratio, you should be having a 3-to-1, so technically if it's like 25% stop loss, it should be 75% gain. So that means if it's a 50% loss, your gain should be 150, just by the way. But yeah, like generally you still want to have like a 2-to-1 ratio, and if you're doing a 50% stop loss to 100% to what? Yeah, 50% gain, it's the same thing as 50% stop loss to 100% gain. Oh, that is still so rough. 1 to 4. I mean, that would be the best risk to reward ratio of all time, but I don't know, man. SVX is like a different monster. Like if you're talking about Spy, like I still think that's bad, just because of like, unless you're like actually being really, really patient, I don't know. It's not like, that's not something great in my opinion, but yeah. That's true, yeah. If you're gonna trade SPX, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I generally stick to the rule of like 20% loss to 50% gain. But if I'm going for scalps like 25%ers or 30%ers, usually my stop loss is gonna be like 10%. Because I'm trying to nail in a good entry, so I still have like that 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Um, so oh damn. Yeah, that is very true. Stop losses on SPX need to be lower, or else you'll get filled out when you don't want to get filled out. Also, Tree, I'd just like to say, I mean, double pausing candle, like, you can't get better than this. Triple, maybe? Do we get the triple in the 5-minute? Yeah. Yeah. The V-shape recovery, yes. Oh my goodness. And Biden's V-shape recovery, yeah. Just, yeah, you know. But yeah, this week should be interesting. I mean, people were relatively bearish heading into Powell talking on Thursday here. Um, so, yeah, once again, just be careful. If you hit 25-30% on trades, take profits. No reason to be super aggressive. But yeah, unless you're trading SPX, I guess. Yeah, just make sure you're trying to set like actual targets, right? And not just like percentage gains. It'll help you a lot more, like mentally. And not really having to worry about when to exit or enter, I guess, to some extent. But yeah. Do 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 do. Yeah, I probably will be ending stream in the next 5 minutes here. As I do have class to get to, and I want to eat. But, yeah. Wait, no way, right, Trey? The NVIDIA calls? That is so stupid. The algo called to go long, it goes all the way down, still didn't give a cell signal, and now it fully recovers. Yeah, man, sure. Yeah, sounds good. But yeah, it just insane bounce in tech today. Like, seriously. I mean, QQQ, jeez. $5 swings to both sides. Very, very solid. Yeah, I don't necessarily see anything great setting up right now. I mean, I still think we move to that upside here. If we break, what? If we break today's open. Once again, as Tree and I like to say a lot, support and resistance, as we definitely saw with this 900 level, not like an actual trend line or horizontal like line. Think of it as like levels, right? So, or I mean areas, sorry, not levels. Like areas of support and resistance. So you want to break through like the general area to move lower, right? Like even on this 390 break, which we thought was gonna be very, very big, it really wasn't, right? We got the slight pull down, but yeah, I mean overall, just you don't want to be going heavy on positions, at least as of recently. Yeah. Yeah, the wicking as well as like the volume as well, right? If you're getting decreasing volume off of big break or what's supposed to be big break, as well as you're getting wicks back. Again, 1 minute wicks is not really necessarily want to be looking at, but I mean, yeah, you look at the 5 minute on SPY, right? You get the 900 break, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, 5. That's potentially even 6 like big wicks back. Yeah, it's not necessarily great on those breaks that you want. But yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think, yeah, I think, yeah, next hour, 2 hours, that's fair. Like, chopping around for a little bit here. I think we can definitely see that, for sure. But yeah. I would just, again, be careful. When you have these big moves in both directions, generally you're gonna chop, and not necessarily get continual one-way moves. But yeah. That's what I would generally say. Again, you can play this break to the upside, 394 break to the upside. Make sure once again volume is increasing on that break. And you play that level all the way up to like probably like even 395. But yeah, that's basically all I have for the stream today, guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace.